Hello, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to MP World and welcome to another solution based video on my channel. In this video on my hand, this is Apple Watch Ultra 2, which is latest release and which is very latest watch from Apple. So let's see and let's talk about new features on this Apple Watch. Second version. First, let's talk about blood oxygen level on this new Apple Watch, and let's check it out how perfectly it works, because I'm using another Apple Watch and I will compare these two in another video. And one more thing I forgot to mention, that is like, if you are checking your blood oxygen level, make sure your hand is not shaking, because if you shake or if you move your hand, then you will get the error message. But you can see here 98% is showing my blood oxygen levels, which is really accurate because I have checked with my another Apple Watch, which one is like previous one. So now let's check the heart rate. So heart rate is showing 71 and 69, which is really cool. Now let's check it out, the navigation app on Apple Watch Ultra 2. So this is really awesome because I can feel the haptic feedback by scrolling the digital crown button, and this is really premium, and I'm pretty sure you all will love it because the design of Apple Watch Ultra 2 is gorgeous. So thank you for watching, and I hope you like this video, and I will come with another solution based video or any review video. Till then, stay healthy and happy.